guys, so this is the bathroom. This is me, as you know already. So this is the bathroom. It's painting green right now. Ceiling is white. So let's give me a little view of the bathroom. So this is the before. Let me fix this, right? This is the before, as you can see, green and everything. So this is the before, and the after will come right after this. So I might not finish today, but I definitely will be painting it in white just to bring more light to the bathroom because it's kind of dull. So I just want to do that, and hopefully you guys like it. It's not something I normally do, but yeah, I'm just going to video it this time around. Alright, so see you guys later when I paint up. Every part I will paint up and the whole place paint up, so super. Welcome back to Mark HD TV version, mini clip version. Alright, so far this is what I've done. I'll chop back out and rotate this for you guys. Alright, so this is what I've done so far. Coming into the bathroom, I took off the light there. Took it off so I can have better light. Boom. Boom, see the painting going on. Go behind the door. Get the door. Walls white already. So yeah, it's going on fine. Don't know. My hand painted already. Face. So this is it. This is the end result. I hope you guys, like it from the before and after. So this is the after. Check this out. So yes, I took off the white thingy there. So that's it right there. It's all white now. Alright, everything is there. See, it's looking good.